ATS, or Advanced Technical Support, is an exclusive subscription that gives you direct access to deeper expertise and premium support features designed to enhance your diagnostics experience. Our US-based customer support team consists of experienced diesel mechanics and master certified technician, fully backed by our engineering experts. This team is dedicated to providing you with timely and accurate support. With an ATS subscription, you'll gain live guidance. An ATS technician stays on the line with you to walk you through specific diagnostic actions step by step. Expert interpretation. Receive help understanding complex technical data and fault codes in real time. Extended resources. Access technical information not yet available in the Jaltest software, giving you an edge in resolving issues faster. Reaching us is easy. You can visit our website or access contact details directly in the Jaltest software. Just click the question mark icon at the top, select Contact Details, and you'll find a phone number and email for us here at Kojali USA. With Jaltest, you are never alone in your diagnostics journey. Thank you for watching. And remember that our team is always here to assist you.